I wanted to show everyone, this is the installation of our pipe. So what we do, a little bit of preparation on this panel. We put a hook on here on the bottom. And we have a pencil line where our hook strip's gonna get lined up with. And then this is a safety edge on the top. You guys are putting in the bottom panel. It's gonna be a 3-stage deal. This bottom panel just gets installed like normal. It's actually really simple, the installation. So just to recap, they found out where their water check's gonna go. We're gonna turn the water check on the panel now. Just making a square line across. Notice how Tim's cutting this panel here. For a quick tip, just notch it out like Tim's doing. Gets your snips in there rather easy. Yeah, so we're just prepping the panel for the water check now. He's going to turn 1 inch there. How about them snips?
Do not buy weeds. Sorry, weeds, but you don't pay me.
Oh, they're just not going to get our endorsement today. That's okay. We'll get paid later, don't worry.
Hey, can I get the camera on first?
Oh yeah.
Oppo Sheet Metal, Standing Seam Channel, like and subscribe, right?
Right, there. Somewhere down there.
Right.
And then, okay, you know what else you gotta do? Point up to this corner up here for the playlist, because I'm gonna throw a how-to playlist up there.
You're gone.
Click on that and watch more of our videos. Well, if you ask me, anyway. Now, Tim, tell us what you think about this folder. You like this bar folder or no?
I don't mind it. You got to do a flip, get it over.
Okay.
The way I'm doing it right now, it's not going to work because it's too far. This is not 16 inches. This is probably about 18 and 20 inches.
Okay.
So it's going past my panel on both sides. So if I want to turn it inside down towards the panel, it's not going to go. Usually we put a hook on. It's coming this way underneath the panel.
Oh, yeah.
But right now I got my seams in the way.
We're going upward here. So you're going to finish it with your folders then? Fair enough. Oh. Does it even need to be mentioned? Like, please, look at this.
What is that? Box hinge?
Box hinge.
That's where
the only way to go.
What I'm doing is I'm creating where I want my hook strip to go. So when I put my chimney cover, chimney cap, it's gonna sit like this on my line. Now I got a hook on there.
This should be doing it right there. Oh! Okay, signature Tim. If you see something on the ground, it's Tim's.
Yes.
It's Tim's.
Where's the table?
Oh wait. Oh, there it is. There's Tim's tape. Zach! We dropped measuring tape!
Can you help me out, please?
Oh, fuck.
You're a pal!
It's like, whatever, man. Okay, just hooking it on the bottom. Clamping. Setting the panel. Yeah. Right in front of the hole, so water won't get into the house. It'll hit that water check and run down the panel, if it were to ever even get in there. They are doing a snow stop system around this entire perimeter of the house, so they're going to be keeping the snow on the roof. So during the spring melt, there is a potential for buildup, but in my experience, there hasn't been. It's nothing to really worry about, but we do it anyways.
Curtis, the caution guns in
It's right by my bag.
I'll tell you, this is so much easier. You guys doing the work and me just recording it. You notice that?
I love the camera.
I know you do.
I can stand in front of the camera.
Look at it. Look at
I'm so glad to be here.
it.
That first panel will be off like.
So you got your caulking up here? Yeah, okay, cool. So this is just our flat lock we put in. We're gonna make sure it's a nice M1 structural adhesive sealant. If they did have a sponsorship, you should reach out to me because it's the only stuff I use. It's not cheap, but it's worth every nickel. There's no more pennies, so it's a nickel. Sure. Worth every nickel. There you go. Set it in place. Got a couple screws in there. Ideally, you want to get those screws in on the caulk line that he just put in.
And that's why I made my little reference line on the seams.
Yeah, so he knows where to put his screws.
What are we doing for screws? How many bucks?
Just 3. Also, come in from the edge a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. I actually have to film you doing it. I was like pointing up there. Anyways. There you go. Uno más. Anyways, there's a little fold down for the female. I come a little bit up from my hook strip. So there's my hook strip. I come a little bit up, and that's where I'll start cutting it off. Whisk, get out of here, whisk. And then over there on the male seam, he just flattens it out, opens it up, flattens it out. This is where we're preparing the seams for the chimney pipe flashing. Portion here, we'll run the seamer. Well, he's gonna close it up a bit, and then we run the seamer over it, and it seams together like any ordinary panel. Kind of nice. We unbend this. So what you want to do, Tim, is push this down, clamp it, and then start turning down.
Right here?
Yep. There you go. Now it's where it's always going to be, and now you can turn that thing over. Nice finish on the bottom of that. All right, and then so you can remember previously in the videos that here's our hook strip, but our panel actually goes right up to here. We have a 6-inch overlap here. Okay, now we're just repeating the process. Yeah, get it open. Just so it's nice and easy to hook when you got the panel ready. I already cut this. That's how we prep the female. Prepping the bottom of this panel. Pretty standard stuff. Just launch it straight in. Oh, he's gonna reverse it.
Yeah, I don't have anything to support it.
He's through that crisp bend right across the face of that whole panel. If you didn't do that, you get a fat fold over here and sharp on the bend. It looks bubbly. You want that. Okay, and this is the third panel, the finishing panel. Tim ain't camera shy. Bob's your uncle. Okay. Looking good. If you're wondering where it's at, you can measure down here, and if you're at 6 inches, you're hooked. Oh, got a line. Done, son. Grab it way down at the break line of the one before. That is there.